Are you frustrated with holes in your siding? You don't need any experience. I'm going to show you a quick and easy product that I found to fix this. The Vinyl Siding Repair Kit by Mendal. These are so easy to use. Check the video description for the current pricing. This is not a sponsored video. I buy these with my own money. I know people that use these repair kits. They are so easy. You need no construction experience. You don't have to replace your siding pieces. Let me show you the easy installation steps. Okay, looking at your siding crack, if you have any sharp edges or protrusions that are sticking out, I do want you to use a utility knife and cut those away, or maybe even pliers and kind of bend them back, force them back, or just remove them altogether. You don't want anything super sharp or sticking out. Next, you're going to want to give the siding a quick wipe down. Your siding is dirty, it's pretty filthy. Everybody's is. A damp cloth will work here. It doesn't have to be fancy. I'm just using a pre-moistened disinfectant wipe. Your vinyl siding repair kit comes with two different patches. We're going to take one and we're going to cut it down to size. So you only need the appropriate size to fix the crack or the hole. So we're going to cut this one a little bit smaller. Ordinary scissors. Really, really easy to use. No intimidation factor at all. Okay, I think I'm going to go with that. So if you can see, it's a vinyl patch. The same kind of vinyl products that are completely waterproof, sun and fade resistant. They're used on vehicle wraps, for advertising, truck wraps. They will last and they will stand up. This is what the product looks like when you separate it from the backer. Okay, now you're simply going to apply it over the patch. Most vinyl siding do have this simulated wood grain here. So when you apply it, you do want to smooth it out, and hopefully some of that wood grain will transfer through. All right, I'm going to use my fingernails to go back and forth, and that's going to push some of that wood grain in here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I can see it up close that the pattern is poking through, the wood grain is poking through. Okay, when you're satisfied with that, the final step is the color match. Now, I've done this before where I've painted the vinyl patch first and then applied it. I've watched some other videos. I've seen some other people use this product. I like it now, and I'm convinced that it works better if you paint after the product is attached, because you'll do a little bit of natural overspray and that overspray will blend in. So let's try that. I love this product, not sponsored, just my recommendation. I love this product from Rust-Oleum. It's called the Chalked Paint product. It is a ultra matte paint. You don't want any kind of glossy paint. Your siding is usually kind of matte color. It comes in several different colors. Check the product link in the video description down below. Okay, let's go ahead and apply that. Like I said, I'm not going to mask this area off. A little bit of overspray I'm going to be happy with, because it should blend in and make the patch look more natural. Okay, let's let that dry. I think I'll just need the one coat. I had to wait till the sun goes down. You don't want to apply paint on vinyl siding when the hot sun is out. It may warp or damage the siding, so you had to wait till the direct sun was down. Now, these kind of vinyl patches, if you're right up on it, you will notice it, but when you're further away, just normal visitors coming and going, you might not see it. Can you find it in this wall? Do you see it? Hey guys, I know you can do this yourself. You got it. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comment section. If you have done this patch before, I want to hear your results. I know you can do this.